Is that old, saggy couch taking up way too much space in your living room? Or maybe you've got a vintage fridge in the garage that hasn't chilled a drink since the 90s. Before you call an expensive junk removal company, listen up. If you live in Burnaby, the city might just take it away for you. Welcome back to Local Fellas, your go-to for making life in Metro Vancouver just a little bit easier. Today we're breaking down the City of Burnaby's large item pickup program so you can clear the clutter without breaking the bank or your back. First things first. Who can use this? This service is available to any household that currently receives City of Burnaby curbside collection. Here is how the numbers break down. Houses and duplexes. You can schedule up to 3 items per pickup. Apartments, condos, and townhomes. You can schedule up to 6 items per complex. Getting on the schedule is simple. You have 2 options. Head over to the City of Burnaby website and fill out their online form, or give the Solid Waste and Recycling Division a call at 604-2947-972. Once you've made the request, the city will provide you with a specific date, time, and location for your pickup. Don't just toss your stuff on the curb and hope for the best. Wait until you get that official confirmation, then bring your items to the designated spot. Now let's talk about the gotchas, because the city is very specific about what they will and won't take. The mattress rule. This is the big one. If you're getting rid of a mattress that is thicker than 4 inches, it must be wrapped and sealed in plastic. If it's not wrapped, they won't touch it. The mirror rule. Planning to toss a mirror? It must be wrapped for safety before it's placed out for collection. Size matters. Small area rugs are accepted, but only if they are less than 5 feet. The no-go list. Do not put out electronics like TVs, computers, or microwaves. Those aren't accepted. The same goes for building and renovation materials. That means no kitchen cabinets, no closet doors, no cement, and no fireplaces. Other rejections. They also won't take baby car seats, suitcases, patio umbrellas, or large gaming tables like pool or foosball tables. If your item is still in good shape, the city encourages you to donate it to a thrift store or charity instead of hitting the curb. Clearing out the house doesn't have to be a headache if you know the rules. Be sure to check the City of Burnaby website for the full list of accepted items, or just click the link in our description. The link is right there. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Local Fellas for more hyper-local tips across Metro Vancouver. This information is accurate as of April 5, 2026. Always check the city website for details or updated info.